I'm at the Sunshine Center Laundromat. I want to do a painting of the Gumball machines inside.
I just really want you to try to have an open mind about this. I mean, I need a job, need help, not from you.
I borrow a stool and set up between the garbage can and the change machine.
For God's sake, I'm not blackmail. Showing up at work every single day, looking over my
The
shoulder.
soap opera is playing in the background. Important thing is to get these measurements right,
This is a good opportunity for both of us.
and then just knock it down a little bit so that it's not quite white.
Design. I'm going to handle the marketing and the PR, and together we are going to celebrate the
I'm laying in a few colors of darks around the Gumball machines. I'm using Casein paint. Oh shoot, she just scrambled up all the gumballs in there. Oh well.
You like walking around and having everyone feel intimidated and afraid of what you're going to do next and wondering what you're capable of. Times have changed. I'm in control now. And I know what you're capable of. You are going to
And now I can focus in on the smaller details like these
who trusts you.
logos on the
For
front.
some reason, it's to make him happy. And you're not going to hurt him. You're the one threatening me.
Well, the laundry's coming along, but I still have a ways to go. Whole thing takes about 2.5 hours.